Over 60. Eat these 9 cheap high-protein foods to rebuild weak muscles fast. Many people still believe that building muscle means spending a lot of money on protein powders or expensive cuts of meat. But the truth is completely different. Just choose the right 9 cheap high-protein foods that I'm about to share. They will nourish your muscles effectively while saving a big chunk of money right in your own kitchen. That is the good news I want to give you today. Age can cause muscles to shrink, but that doesn't mean you have to give up. Right now, let's explore how to rebuild weak muscles fast using only simple, everyday foods around us. Science has proven that there are high-protein foods that are inexpensive, easy to find, and remarkably effective at building muscle fast for people over 60. In this video, I am Dr. Paul Harris. With more than 25 years of experience caring for patients over 50 in the United States, I will show you 9 simple choices to restore and rejuvenate muscle strength day after day. Research shows that after age 50, the body can lose 1 to 2% of muscle mass every year. By age 80, that loss can reach 30%. I remember one of my patients, Mr. John. He once told me that just walking a few minutes to his garden left him exhausted. He worried that he'd have to buy costly supplements or high-end health products to regain strength. But after only a few weeks of adjusting his meals, adding simple, low-cost protein sources, he noticed a dramatic change. He could stroll through the park with his grandchildren without needing a break. Seeing his bright, happy smile convinced me even more. True strength doesn't come from money, it comes from smart choices. That is living proof that you don't have to spend a fortune to rebuild muscle and reclaim freedom in daily life. And now I'm about to share the most budget-friendly protein-rich foods. These choices can truly transform your health and strength. Many of the best protein sources are right there on ordinary grocery shelves, needing no big brand name to deliver outstanding results. I've arranged them from good to can't miss. You'll see exactly why these humble options can outperform many expensive products. I'll also show you the actual cost, and I'll share simple cooking tips to help your muscles absorb every gram of protein. Here's something remarkable. The number one food costs only about 50 cents per serving, yet it delivers protein that your body absorbs even better than supplements costing 20 times more. Let's discover 9 protein-rich foods that cost under $3 a serving. This is powerful proof that real strength starts with wise choices, not a thick wallet. Now, let's begin with the first choice. Chickpeas are a protein-packed food that's wonderfully friendly for anyone over 60. As a doctor who has worked with many patients past 60, I often recommend adding chickpeas to the menu. They help build muscle fast while saving money. This is a humble high-protein food that's packed with nutrition. Low-cost, big impact. A 1 pound 450 grams bag of dry chickpeas costs only about $1.50 to $2 and yields a large number of servings once cooked. 1 cooked cup about 165 grams provides 15 grams of protein, along with generous fiber, potassium, and magnesium. That works out to about 1 cent per gram of protein. That's far cheaper than meat or protein powder. Muscle and heart benefits. Chickpeas are rich in leucine, a key amino acid that switches on muscle protein synthesis. Their soluble fiber helps steady blood sugar and lower cholesterol, vital for strong muscles and a healthy heart. A study in the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging found that older adults who regularly ate legumes, especially chickpeas, lost less muscle and kept better endurance than those who rarely ate them. Easy and versatile. Just soak overnight, cook, and refrigerate for many meals. Use them in soups, salads, creamy hummus, or roast for a crunchy snack. With low cost, rich protein, and strong muscle benefits, chickpeas deserve a place on the weekly menu, especially for anyone over 60. Next, let's move to the second food. It's a familiar protein that is often overlooked: eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete proteins you can eat after 60. At roughly $2.50 per dozen, Each egg provides about 6 grams of high-quality protein with a high biological value, meaning your body absorbs almost all of it. Here's something many people don't know. The yolk contains about half the protein. Tea also provides vitamin D, choline, and leucine. These nutrients trigger muscle growth far better than egg whites alone. This is why eggs rank among the most effective and affordable high-protein foods for seniors. They also supply natural vitamin D and healthy fats that help your body use protein efficiently. Each gram of egg protein costs less than 4 cents. It's incredibly economical. Boiled, scrambled, lightly fried, or tossed in a salad, eggs keep their nutrition. Modern studies have overturned most cholesterol concerns, confirming that eggs are a safe, nutrient-rich, budget protein for maintaining strong muscles and bones. Research at the University of Illinois found that adults who ate whole eggs after exercise built up to 40% more muscle than those who ate only whites. Why? The yolk's leucine, vitamin D, and choline don't just help build muscle fast. They also support brain and nerve health. I remember Mr. David, 70, who used to skip the yolks, worried about cholesterol. After we discussed it, he began eating 2 whole eggs for breakfast every day. Within weeks, he felt more energetic and could focus better when playing with his grandchildren. Eggs are endlessly versatile, boiled, in a veggie omelet, or gently poached on whole grain toast. Simple, nourishing, and affordable, they help keep your body strong and flexible day after day. Next is the third food, cottage cheese. This soft, low-fat cheese is loaded with protein and perfect for anyone over 60 rebuilding muscle. Many older adults prefer a light evening snack. I often recommend fruit pudding made with fresh cottage cheese. It delivers casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds muscles steadily through the night. That is ideal as aging reduces the body's ability to absorb protein, a process doctors call anabolic resistance. A small cup provides around 24 grams of protein, mainly casein. Research from Maastricht University shows that older adults who consumed casein before bed significantly increased muscle protein synthesis and strength in just weeks. I recall Mrs. Helen, 67, who often felt tired each morning. After adding a small serving of cottage cheese before bedtime, she could soon carry her market basket herself. Cottage cheese is also very economical. It costs under 3 cents per gram of protein. Enjoy it with fruit, blend into smoothies, or substitute for ricotta in lasagna. Choose full-fat versions to help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins and stay satisfied longer. A simple choice with powerful benefits, cottage cheese helps you build muscle fast and feel stronger every day. The fourth food is canned tuna. It's a protein-rich, convenient, and very economical way to keep muscles strong even on busy days. It's ideal for travel or quick meals. I recommend low-mercury tuna and a quick rinse to lower sodium and protect heart health. Tuna contains all 9 essential amino acids, forming a complete protein that helps build muscle fast without pricey supplements. 1 3-ounce 85 grams can cost about $1 and delivers 22 grams of protein, with over 90% absorption even in your 70s. This is why tuna ranks as one of the most valuable high-protein foods for older adults. Choose tuna packed in water to keep calories in check. Eat it straight with whole grain crackers, toss it in a salad, or mix with eggs for quick fish cakes. About 12 ounces 340 grams of low-mercury tuna per week is considered safe and effective for muscle recovery and heart health. Simple, budget-friendly, and highly effective, canned tuna is a protein source I strongly recommend for daily strength and energy. Now to the fifth food, lentils. These tiny legumes carry big power. They are rich in protein, iron, and magnesium to rebuild muscle and sustain energy all day. Lentils are more than muscle food, they are also high in folate, excellent for blood and heart health. For variety, try making plant-based burgers with lentils for a fun change of taste. A cooked cup offers around 18 grams of protein at just a little over 20 cents per serving. It's one of the cheapest high-protein foods you can buy. They're also full of fiber, iron, and B vitamins to boost energy, improve circulation, and speed muscle recovery. I recall Mr. Robert, 72, who often felt worn out and assumed it was just aging. Tests showed mild iron deficiency weakening his muscles. After adding lentils to his weekly meals, he could soon walk farther without getting winded. Science supports this. The Journal of Nutrition reports that older adults who regularly eat beans, especially lentils, maintain muscle mass and strength. This helps reduce age-related frailty. Lentils are easy to cook in about 30 minutes and work in soups, vegetable stews, salads, or served over rice. Affordable, nourishing, and versatile, lentils prove that you can build muscle fast without expensive meals. All it takes are wise and steady choices. Next is canned sardines. Inside this small tin is a powerhouse of protein, omega-3 south, and calcium that helps rebuild muscles and protect joints beautifully. Here's our sixth food, canned sardines. Inside this tiny can is a treasure of protein, omega-3 fats, and calcium, giving powerful support for muscle recovery and joint protection. Canned sardines are truly a hidden treasure for anyone over 60 who wants to build muscle. Many of my patients wrinkle their noses when they first hear the word sardines. But with about $1, you get over 20 grams of complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to stay strong. And it's more than protein. Sardines are loaded with omega-3s, the healthy fats that calm inflammation and guard your muscles from natural age-related wear. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed older adults who ate sardines twice a week for 3 years. The result was striking. They kept better hand strength and faster walking speed than those who rarely ate fish. This proves the protein in sardines is not just a number on a nutrition label, it truly transforms into daily strength. A single can costs around $1.25, yet delivers the same quality protein as salmon that costs many times more. Other pluses: long shelf life, easy to carry, and almost no cooking required. I often suggest pairing sardines with whole grain bread or pasta for balanced carbs and protein. They're also a natural source of vitamin D for solid bones. Enjoy them straight from the can, mash with butter and lemon, mix into a pasta salad, top a cracker with a slice of egg, or even blend into Caesar dressing. Just one can a week can truly feed and protect your muscles, simple yet powerful. Don't let old worries about smell or taste keep you from this treasure. Next is number 7, chicken. This affordable high-protein food is packed with lean protein and essential amino acids to keep muscles strong and speed recovery after age 60. Next comes chicken. This budget-friendly high-protein food is rich in lean protein and essential amino acids to keep muscles strong and speed recovery after age 60. As a doctor who has walked with many patients over 60, I often stress that skinless chicken breast or thigh deserves a place in the daily menu. Each cooked 3.5-ounce 100 grams portion gives over 30 grams of complete protein. It also provides all the key amino acids that help repair muscle fibers and slow age-related loss. Chicken also provides selenium, zinc, and B vitamins. These nutrients power your metabolism and help you stay energetic. An American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found that older adults who ate lean chicken 3 to 4 times a week improved grip strength and walking speed. They outperformed those who ate less. For cooking, choose boiling, pan-searing, roasting, shredding into salads, or simmering in soup to keep full nutrition. Lean chicken helps maintain a healthy weight and supports heart health. If you're looking for a cheap, easy-to-find, high-protein food to build muscle fast, chicken is a trusted choice. Tip: marinate with Mediterranean herbs to cut sodium while keeping flavor. Many of my patients like to cook chicken ahead, Then chill it so it stays moist and tender for days. Number 8 is Greek yogurt, creamy protein with natural probiotics. The eighth food is Greek yogurt. It's rich in protein, probiotics, and calcium to strengthen muscles and support digestion. 1 cup provides around 20 grams of protein, and a 2-pound 900 grams tub costs about $5, or roughly 3 cents per gram of protein. Greek yogurt uniquely blends fast-digesting whey with slow-digesting casein. This combination gives your muscles a steady supply of nutrients for hours. Its natural probiotics nourish the gut microbiome, strengthening immunity and even improving mood. These are advantages that many other high-protein foods can't match. This is especially helpful when you want to build muscle fast in a natural way. A Tufts University study found that older adults who ate Greek yogurt every day improved leg strength and walking speed in just 12 weeks. It also provides calcium and B vitamins essential for bones and energy metabolism. For variety, make a sugar-free parfait layered with fruit and nuts. You can blend it into smoothies, enjoy it with seeds and berries, use it instead of sour cream, or even turn it into a tenderizing marinade. Simple, delicious, and nutrient-rich, Greek yogurt is a smart and lasting way to feed your muscles and stay healthy. And here's the final item on the list: dried beans. Small but mighty, they're packed with protein, iron, and magnesium to help rebuild muscles, steady blood sugar, and keep your energy strong after 60. Small in size but filled with a treasure of protein, iron, and magnesium, they help rebuild muscles, steady blood sugar, and keep stamina strong after 60. Dry beans are a budget-friendly but nutrient-rich source of protein for older adults. 1 cooked cup provides about 15 grams of protein, and a 1-pound bag costs around $1.20. That's about 1 cent per gram of protein. More than just a high-protein food, dry beans supply abundant fiber, iron, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients feed muscles, protect the heart, and help keep blood pressure stable. A long-term study in the Journal of Nutrition followed older adults for 5 years. It found that those who ate beans regularly maintained more muscle, suffered fewer falls, and stayed independent longer. For the price of a single protein bar, 1 pound of dry beans gives 9 times the protein. Cook a big pot and freeze portions. It's convenient for the whole week. Serve beans with brown rice, whole grains, or simply seasoned with herbs, and you'll have a meal that's hearty, affordable, and long-lasting. This is living proof that to build muscle fast, you don't need to look far. Strength can come from a simple pot of beans simmering on your own stove. You can maintain and grow muscle without expensive foods or high-end supplements. Just choose simple, protein-rich foods every day, and your body will have all the nutrients it needs to stay strong and flexible. These low-cost, high-protein foods are the true key for anyone over 60 who wants to build muscle fast. Start small this week. Cook a bean soup. Enjoy Greek yogurt with berries. Prepare sardines or chicken for lunch. Compare these choices with your usual grocery costs. You'll see the savings and feel the difference in your muscle strength. The goal isn't perfection overnight. It's steady consistency. Keep canned tuna and sardines on hand. Cook beans in big batches. Stock eggs and Greek yogurt in the fridge. In just a short time, you'll notice more energy, quicker recovery, and the strength to stay independent in daily life. If you find this information helpful, share the video with family and friends so they can care for their health too. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow tips to help you live strong and full of energy every day.